Hello guys, follow me as I do this Pomeranian haircut. This is a short haircut for a Pomeranian. The best way to groom your Pomeranian on a summer period when there is too much hotness. So this is the way we usually do, and these are the style most clients usually ask us to do. You can see as I'm doing the round face, this is just the finishing part of this grooming. I'm showing you this finishing part, and I will show you on how I started. This is the Pomeranian on how it was before we start the grooming. The process starts like this. I use my clipper to clip all the body length down depending on what the client asks me to do. That is what I have been doing. So I'm taking it down. You see the body is rough and it's like the Pomeranian is having a skin issue. This client want me to take off all the hairs from the body, so that's why I have to remove all the hair from the coat. I use my clipper first to bring out the hair so as to ease the grooming. I want to make the grooming to go fast. That's why I had to use a clipper. So because due to the length size, I cannot just use scissors to bring it this much down. To take a longer period, that's why I need to use clipper. So I've been grooming the Pomeranian, and this is the length I have reached up to now. I'll show you where I trim the legs and also the face, so you guys can watch and see. This is how I usually curve my Pomeranian legs, and you see, if you have an obedient dogs, they always obey and follow instruction on how you need to demonstrate your grooming. When you're communicating with pets that obeys, they will listen to you and they give you the way forward to do your grooming easy. So to all the viewers who wants to learn, please kindly watch. I'm here now to train the tails and to show you how I usually curve the tail of a Pomeranian. I usually take it short and then make it round like a wing, so that the length will be equal. So that's how I usually do my trimming of each pet, so everything will be smoother. After trimming that, you see I will finish, then I'll have to take the other parts of the body, which is the head. I'll be going now to the head to trim the head. You see how I'm bringing the head, because the client wants a round face head. That's why I had to take my curved scissors. To shave a round face head, you need a curved scissors to take it round, so everything will be easy. It's very necessary to use the curved scissors so you can make everything good and nice. As you can see, please watch till the end so you can see how I finish the grooming, and you see the finishing process of what I did for this Pomeranian, and the client was so happy about it. This is the face I'm about to finish the trimming. You see how smoother it is, and it's going around because I'm using the prescribed scissors for curve shaving. So I have to use the curved scissors to remove this curve this round face. That's why it's necessary to always come up with your curve tinkle and your curve scissors to bring out this shape if you want to get something like this. So I believe some of you who have learned, we have seen a lot of see the finishing part of what I did. It's so good. Wow, thank you so much for watching, and follow us for more videos and grooming tips. Learn more from our channels. I always bring you good videos on how to groom your pet at home, and for those who wants to be a pet groomer, they always have some tutorial skills from us. Thank you for watching, viewers, and keep following us. Subscribe or follow our page so that you get updates for more grooming tips. Thank you. Bye bye.